So we're into the car. On today's episode, we're going to service the rear differential. So, last night, everything was fine. Today, it's dripping. Stuff happens, right? It's a 40-year-old car. I tried tightening everything up. Still drips. So we've got a leaky gasket or leaky seal. Something is not right. So we're going to remove this rear cover, reseal it, put it back together, fill it back up with oil. So you're going to need a pan, some rags, some gloves, and then over here is the drain. It's a 17. And it's brown. Normally it's like a silver honey color, and that somebody may have been in here before. So while that drains, in order to get this off, you're going to have to drop the panhard bar. This is the part where your rag comes in handy. So we did this a couple episodes ago. It's a 19. Asshole. This thing is so ugly. I'm gonna have to pull it off. I'm gonna have to pull it off and paint it. You don't have to do that, but since you're here, you might as well. I can't leave it like that. Y'all make fun of me. So that doesn't fit. That doesn't fit. It's got to be a 22. What's going on here? Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. Man, that thing was mad. I don't know what they put on here, but it's like bumpy. I don't know. It's all over the car. This stuff. And then these are just 13s. How can you be leaking if you're stuck? I don't know. So this is our gasket, and it still looks pretty good. But first, I want to knock off all of these barnacles, because I hit it with the Sandblast, or they don't like coming off. So wire wheel. And it looks like a slight bend right there. Okay, going into the Sandblaster. GoPro, stop recording. So we got our cover out to dry, the bolts out to dry, and the panhard bar out to dry. So in here you can see the groove where the plate sits. So I've got some gasket material, and you're gonna have to be really careful. It's like, I don't know, it's like trying to caulk your bathroom and not make it look stupid. I don't know how those guys do it. But I'm gonna roll this up like so. Get this to flow. Why is it not flowing? Of course. Of course it's not flowing. What the fuck? Fucking Permatex shit. I'll be right back. And then what we're gonna do is... Are you shitting me? No, not really. We're just gonna come in here. And then, as the paint dries, so does the Permatex. We're going to leave it just like that for a while. Probably like 20 or 30 minutes. Okay, so our gasket material is dry. Right? It's not squishing out. It's not on our finger. So that's what we want. And then our lid only goes on one way. There's a round side and a flat side. So it's going to go on like this. And then let me get a couple of bolts ready. So we're just going to set it on here. And then these are all M8s. Then we want to put our plug back in. It was a 17. Big dumbass. Just did it. This is 17. Where is my 17? That's a 19. That was for that. That's for that. There's 3 missing. 1, 2, 3. Fuck, did it go? I don't know. That's a 16. That's a 17. No, wrong. Oh, I know where it went. Never mind. And that one just gets snug. And then the filler is up there. So we're gonna pull this one out. And this one's actually the plug because it has a magnet in it. See? So somebody put these in backwards. Don't ask me why. See, no magnet on this one. So we want the magnet on the bottom because that's where the shavings are going to accumulate. Now, let me dump this and get some diff fluid. So it takes diff lube, right? 75-90. It usually only takes 1. Sometimes a little bit more, depending. So it's kind of easy. You just fill it up until it runs out. See how we're running out? So it's full. Let me grab our plug and stick it back in. Okay, so diff is taken care of. No drips. And And then here's our new freshly painted panhard bar. So it only goes on one way, right? There's a hump. It goes around the hump. So you put it on like this, and then it goes up. If you put it on backwards, it's going to hit the diff. So now's the part where we have to manipulate this thing into place. And I like the bolt to go through, that way you can pull it out instead of trying to pull the bolt out. But that's just me. There we go. Got some fingerprints I gotta wash off like that. And look, here's a rag. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day and a pleasant tomorrow.